Hey guys, welcome to Say to Art. Today we are launching our DIY festive Christmas kit, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on this. And it's a strict warning, you don't really have to follow the tutorial as it is. You can be creative with it. I have given you a lot of elements that you can design on your own and do whatever you like. So this is the kit, and let's unbox this. So first of all, we open it. All right, so this is how your kit looks like from the inside. The first thing that you will see is a cavity with your tree base. So this is going to be a tree base, and everything is going to get onto this. This is a set of instructions. Then you have your glitter pens. Then you have your DIY ornaments. So these ornaments you can totally design on your own and with the help of these glitter pens, and they look lovely. And apart from the tree, you can also make a full Christmas scene and enjoy the process. And my favorite part, these are the DIY stick-ons. Alright, so let me just show you everything that we have here. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the instructions away because I'm really not going to use them. I wrote them. And I'll keep everything else aside. So first of all, we have all of these. These are my favorite Christmas tree decoration elements. And let me take you to the top view and show you what's on my desk exactly. So that's what we get in the kit. It is really simple to see. This is your tree base. These are your DIY ornaments. I have just taken out the tree leaf die cuts, and these are my glitter pens. Also in this kit we have these glitter bulbs. So what you have to do in order to use these is just open one string, all right, and just start peeling off the tape. Yeah, so you have these are all interconnected like to each other like this, and we will just use this part to string in the glitter bulbs. All right, so all you have to do is just put this on your tree somewhere, wherever you like it, like that. And these are a few glitter balls that we provide you so that you can make those give that fairy light kind of an effect to this. And these are the favorite stick-ons. All right, so the first step is to take out everything from the die cut papers. Show you. So these are the kind of die cuts that you get. All you have to do is simply start plucking these out of the paper. So they should smoothly come out, and you will get your die cut piece like this. All right, so this is what we get. Similarly, you have to take all of them out, and then you will have a bunch of these. And don't worry if you tear one or two off, because I've given you a lot of them and you can make a very luscious looking tree. So these are the bigger ones. Then you have a medium size, and then we have a small size in this. All right, and these three we use for the top of the tree. So this is that. Okay, let me start doing this. So first of all, you take the tree base, you keep it right in front of you. All right, and we will start inserting in mixed colors. Like I have given different colors in all the kits so that whenever you guys send me the pictures, I would love to see what you guys have done with it. All right, so be creative, give me something new, give me a new idea. I'll incorporate it in the kit next time. All right, So this is the biggest size. So I'm going to start with this. Just gently insert it on the stick. Yeah, and leave it at the base. Okay, before you start inserting, what you can do is you can apply the stick-ons. So let me show you how to apply the stick-ons. So all these stick-ons are double-sided, correct? So what we have to do is you pluck out your stick-on, all right? And so basically this is just one piece. So what I'll do is I will stick it wherever I want it to be stuck, like this, and fold it, and so it sticks to itself. And then I would just press on the leaves wherever it's supposed to be put. All right, so now once this is decorated, I will insert this on the tree. Just try to keep them, alternatingly apart so that they look very, very nice. And I have already pre-stuck these to keep the tutorial short, and you can do the same. All right, so once you've put in like 5 or 6 of them, what you can do is you can take these glitter ball threads and just slide it on here, and it will stay. See, it looks like a very, very beautiful light bulb. All right, so now I will again put in some more, and it's up to you how many you want to use. You want to keep the tree a little bare, you want to make it look more fuller, you want to make it look more green. There are kits. I have put in some orange and yellow leaves also, and that's going to be interesting. I will make that later on, but right now this is what we have. All right, so this is the base of the tree, which is almost ready. And next what I will do is I will take one of the glitter pens, and I prefer to take the silver one because when you look at it from a distance, it looks like snow. Correct? So let me show you how. So what I'm going to do is I will take the leaf, all right, and I will paint the tips with silver. You see this? It looks like a snow. So I'm going to do this with a couple of leaves quickly. And I just prefer to do the, like the further edges, so that, actually that's the only part that's going to be visible. So you see, it looks really, really beautiful. And I know you can't see it in the video that much, but when you do it, it's gonna look really nice. Plus it will give you a very nice effect in the lights. Alright, so I'm done with the bigger size ones. Now I will start putting the smaller ones. And before that, again, I will put one more string of the bulb. Alright, so again, you can randomly, color the edges of the leaves silver, white, whatever you like. It's a festive tree and it should look as colorful as possible, right? And there it goes. It's so cold. It's really cold here today. But that's a good thing. It gives me a Christmassy feeling. And we are going to insert more of these, as many as we have. All right, so we will take a few more elements. We will probably take the bigger ones. I have taken the gifts. I will add it here. Right on. See how pretty it looks? And here. So now we are almost at the 2/3 of the tree. So now we can start putting the smallest ones. All right. And you know the best thing that I like to put extra these bulbs densely towards the top of the tree so that the tree looks more fuller and more lit. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Do you know this song? If yes, why don't you send me a good Christmas song? Just write something in the comments below. I would love to hear some Christmas music. Alright. So, yeah. Some more lights. Some more. Let's put one Uncle Snowman here. So you just gently pluck it out of the sticker sheet and you get it like this. All we have to do is put his hat on the leaf and stick the back side. Perfect. That's how we put Uncle Snowman on the Christmas tree. Next, we will put some more light bulbs. Actually, they're little bulbs, but they look like lights, so it's fun to do this, right? Alright, so now we are almost at the tip of the tree. What we will do is the smaller ones that we took off, I am going to put some little pens on it to make them look more pretty and more snowy. What do you guys like? Do you like the white Christmas or the springy Christmas or something like a Christmas in the summer? I don't know. For me, Christmas has always been a winter thing more than anything, right? Cookies, plum cakes, gingerbread, guys, everybody. Anyway, so these are here with you in 3 sizes. So first put the biggest one like this, then the medium sized, and then the smallest. And we have a very pretty looking tree. Alright, so the tree is ready, and how can we forget? We need the Star of David for the tip. So we have a David stick-on. So this David stick-on, I'm just going to match the edges, and voila! How does it look? I love it. Okay, so now for the fun part, what you can do is open your DIY elements and you can draw on them properly, nicely, and make something of your own. So I'll open this. Just like we have just gingerbread man, I'm gonna decorate it. Alright, just check it out. You know, you have to do just the same thing that you do for your cookies, just that it is easier and nicer to do with glitter pens. I love glitter. It makes me feel so happy, right? Maybe I will, sorry, I will use some green. So like this, you can decorate your DIY elements and make your own Christmas scene. Also, let's see what else we have. Oh, we have pine cones. So I took a brown pine cone and I will decorate the pine cone. pine cone. You just need to make the outlines look nice. So we have very pretty glittery pine cone, a gingerbread man. You have a lot of things in here, so you can do whatever you like. So guys, this was our festive Christmas tree DIY kit. If you've not ordered it yet, please do. We would be happy to ship it to you ASAP. And say hey to Art.